Ever looked at your wardrobe and wondered how to style those wide leg jeans? I get it, they can feel tricky, but once you understand the right proportions, they instantly become one of the most versatile pieces in your closet. Today I'm sharing my go-to wide leg jeans outfits, updated for 2025 and 2026 to help you feel confident, elevated, and stylish in every setting. Let's dive in and make wide leg jeans your new everyday staple. Skinny jeans no longer dominate our closets. Modern style has shifted towards softer, elegant volume, and wide leg jeans are at the center of that change. They're chic, versatile, and surprisingly flattering, but only if you style them correctly. And the most common mistake? Looking like you're drowning in fabric. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take wide leg jeans from casual coffee runs to polished dinners with ease. Finding the perfect pair truly matters. Not all wide leg jeans are created equal, and choosing the right ones can completely change how confident and elegant you feel. Once you understand what works for your body, every outfit becomes polished. Fit. A high-waisted or mid-high rise is the most flattering. It defines the waist and creates that beautiful long leg silhouette. Length. For heels, choose a pair that lightly skims the floor. For sneakers, cropped lengths above the ankle keep things clean and modern. Wash. Light and mid washes for laid-back days. Dark indigo, black or ecru when you want a more refined feel. Each creates a completely different vibe. One of my favorite laid-back combos: wide leg jeans with a basic tee and an oversized cardigan. It's easy, comfortable, and looks effortlessly put together. To ground the look, I go for sleek trainers or platform sneakers, something modern but not too bulky. Yes, you can wear wide leg jeans to the office. A tucked-in silk blouse and a tailored blazer instantly balance the flowy shape below, creating a polished, professional silhouette. A striped shirt works beautifully too. Simple, chic, endlessly timeless. Add heels to lift the hem and keep your proportions long and elegant. When it comes to wide leg jeans, not all shoes are equal. Some simply blend in, while others completely transform the silhouette and make your jeans stand out in the best possible way. First, slim sneakers. When the hem drapes over a sleek shoe, it creates that long modern line that instantly feels expensive. Ballet flats add contrast. Their softness highlights the width of the denim and makes the whole look feel intentional and feminine. Statement pumps give wide leg jeans drama. They add height, protect long hems, and visually stretch the legs so the jeans look even sharper. For winter, riding boots change everything. The structured shape under the denim creates a smooth, elongated column that feels incredibly luxurious. Thong sandals highlight the ankle and the flare, making the jeans feel lighter and more sculptural, especially in minimalist outfits. Heeled boots give wide leg jeans that elegant swing as you walk. A mid or high heel elevate the silhouette instantly. For a fashion-forward moment, clogs create unexpected volume and a cool boho contrast that makes the denim the star. Both shoes add a relaxed, preppy edge. With lighter washes, they create that effortless coastal feel that stands out in spring and summer. Loafers sharpen the entire look. They add polish and structure, making wide leg jeans feel grown up and elevated. If you want a bold Scandinavian look, dad sneakers emphasize the oversized proportions, but balance it with a slim top to keep everything chic. And finally, strappy sandals. They show a touch of skin and create a delicate frame for the jeans, turning even the simplest pair into an evening-ready piece. With the right shoes, wide-leg jeans don't just work. They become the most expressive, stylish part of your entire outfit. Slightly cropped wide-leg jeans are perfect for showing off statement shoes. Pair them with a sleek leather trench to create a long, uninterrupted line that feels modern and refined. White wide-leg jeans also shine here. Style them with a matching top and a bold blazer for a clean, standout look. Neutral accessories finish everything beautifully. Embrace the double denim trend by pairing a denim jacket with your favorite wide-leg jeans. Add trainers to keep things fresh, modern, and perfect for everyday wear. Mid-wash wide-leg jeans styled with a cropped jacket and pointed toe pumps create a timeless feminine outfit with that subtle touch of sophistication. Pointed toe shoes give a long, leg-lengthening effect that pairs beautifully with wide-leg silhouettes. For relaxed weekends, choose sleek trainers, not chunky ones. They balance volume without overwhelming the look. And if your jeans skim the floor, this is the perfect moment for metallic or brightly colored shoes. They peek out just enough to add personality and a polished finish. Tweed instantly elevates wide-leg denim. Gray jeans keep the palette calm, while black accessories add sharp, city-inspired sophistication. Camel layers always feel luxurious. The wrap coat adds soft movement, while the matching bag brings harmony to the entire tonal look. The ivory turtleneck brightens faded denim. A sleek black jacket adds structure, and gold earrings give the outfit a refined finish. A short-sleeve knit keeps the look light. The brown jacket adds structure, while heeled boots pull the entire early fall outfit together. Navy with gold buttons feels polished against light denim. Cat-eye sunglasses and slingbacks create a subtle, Parisian-inspired, confident silhouette. A clean cream knit grounds the outfit. The plaid cape adds personality, while neutral boots keep the whole look balanced and wearable. Warm neutrals shine here. The caramel knit echoes the boots, while the camel coat adds timeless structure and confidence to the overall look. Cream and camel instantly elevate dark denim. The suede trench ties the warm tones together, creating a refined, cozy, elegant fall outfit. A black top sharpens the light denim, while the long coat adds structure. The suede bag softens everything for a polished, everyday look. A soft gray knit and deep denim create a calm base, and the black jacket adds clean structure. The polka dot flats bring a playful contrast that still feels elegant and grown up. A Fair Isle sweater brings cozy texture to light denim. The taupe coat adds refinement, while brown boots and the studded belt make the look feel fresh. The sleeveless turtleneck keeps the silhouette clean and modern. Dark denim adds depth, while the taupe coat and brown boots create soft, elegant winter harmony. Bold red instantly energizes the dark denim, while the camel coat softens everything. The scarf and loafers echo the color story, and the leopard bag adds a confident twist. All black layers keep the look sleek and elongated, while dark denim adds depth. Boots sharpen the silhouette, and the leopard bag gives a bold, modern contrast. The camel blazer instantly brightens the black base, giving quiet structure. Leopard boots add a playful edge, while the sleek bag and gold accents keep everything polished. And tell me in the comments, would you like me to make a video on the best 2026 jeans trends that actually look perfect on women over 40? If you're interested, I'll create a full guide.